Hey guys, so we are going to do some skincare. This is a follow-up from the unboxing I did with the Glow recipe. So if you want to see everything I got, then please keep on watching. So I made a video about Glow recipe, my first order, and it came broke. And I sent them a picture of what was broken, and they were so kind. They sent me a whole brand new package. So thank you so much for that Glow recipe. I really appreciate it. And today is Sunday, that's self-care day. So we are going to exfoliate the face first with the Keys Luminous exfoliator. It is powder. So I just put a little bit in my hands. I have a wet face and exfoliate. And I did just get out of the shower, and I cleansed with the Pericomb MD Citrus Cleanser that I got in Ipsy. I'll send you a reply. Last night, my granddaughter spent the night, and I did a whole skincare facial on her because she has really bad acne at the top of her head, and we use the Keys exfoliator and all the Glow recipe, and I'm not kidding, her face looked so nice, and the bumps weren't like angry and red like they were before. So now I'm just going to take all this off with a makeup eraser. And everything that I am using will be listed below in the description box. And I do have a code for the makeup erasers. If you use my code, you can save 10% off your purchase. They are amazing. I love them more than makeup wipes. The Junko cleansing balm and the makeup erasers are the best ever. And as you can see, my little mysterious space-sized bump is gone. I'm going to pat the face dry. So we are going to use the Plump Hyaluronic Acid. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. And I just do one pump because that really goes a long way. And we are going to use the Keys Jade Roller. I hope everybody's been doing good. Now we're going to take the Anasia Pinnacle All Over Skin Brush and just kind of blot that in. Then I am going to go in with my Ordinary Retinol. While that is drying, we are going to go in with the avocado melt retinol eye cream. I'm in love with this stuff. I wish the rest of my skin all over my body felt as good as my eyes when I use this. So I'm going to go in with the Anasia eye care brush. Take a little bit out, put on my lid, and I'm going to use this to apply it over my lid and some over here. And I like to go right here and bring it out right here and up and under. And we're going to do the same thing over here. Out here. I always bring my eye creams out to where your crow's feet would start. There we go. And this is the consistency. I'm going to go in with the Plump Plump Hyaluronic Cream. And it looks like this. I'm not going to take a whole lot. So the hyaluronic cream and the Plump Plump Hyaluronic Serum are two different things. You can get them in cream form and serum form. But hey, we need that hyaluronic acid. Don't forget that neck, ladies. You youngins out there that don't have wrinkles, please don't forget that neck. I was teaching that to my granddaughter yesterday. Don't forget the neck, the neck, the neck, the neck. Always needs moisturizer. And then we are going to go in with the Niacinamide Dewdrops. These are the cutest little bottles, and honestly, it does not take but a pump. One pump. That's all it takes. And I rub that into my hands and just press it on the face, the neck, the chest. Then the last step, we are going to go in with the Watermelon Glow Juice Moisturizer. And time has passed in between each one. You want to wait at least 20 or 30 seconds in between each layer of skincare. So I did a pump and a half. And I'm just going to... That does smell good. There we go. That, my loves, was the Glow Recipe. All except for the toner. I forgot the toner. You can't put the toner on after the serum. And this. And later tonight, when my face is more drier, I will add the Keys Soul Care moisturizer. I've been really loving this stuff. Yeah, and that is the end of this video. So let me know down in the comments, have you ever picked up anything from Glow Recipe? And if you have, what was it? And what is your favorite thing from there? They have so much stuff. I need to know because I might like something else. I'm liking this pretty good. This is like my 4th time using it. And I'm liking the way my face feels. My granddaughter's face was glowing today. I mean, just glowing. And it did not look angry. It did not look red. I could see glow on her cheeks. I wish I could get, I'm gonna get her some of this so she can take care of her skin. I've given her, you know, some skincare and things for her face, but she needs to do a routine every day. I think that would help with her acne. But anywho, let me know what you like from Glow Recipe if you've tried them. And if not, what would you order if you were ordering for the first time? And guys, like always, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, I urge you to subscribe and ring that bell to all so you don't miss any notifications, and make sure you're following me on all my social medias. I will list my Facebook down below. I am monetized over on Facebook now, and I'll be doing lives there and giveaways and all sorts of things there too. So make sure you're following me everywhere. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a blessed day. I will see you in the next one.